Hello?
Brett?
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 Very happy that I
Brett.
can't hear whatever nonsense is going on right now.
Brett?
I don't know what's going on, but I'm glad I can't hear it.
Brett?
Alright, cool. There.
Alright, you hear me now? Us?
Yeah, because for some reason my headset... I'm using a third-party dongle for... Get out of my ass! God damn, you want to do the intro?
I'm gonna go look at Festive Hats.
Then,
Brett?
Holy shit!
Brett? Brett?
yes, it's a serious problem. What?
I don't have enough for a Festive Hat.
Ow! What?
I was inside someone. Spooky shit! Spooky shit!
Spooky! I'm going this way. Oh, there's nothing over there.
Just death.
Just remember to look at the ceiling.
No.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a hole.
Is it a good hole? Oh!
Oh, one of these guys!
I found a gentleman.
What kind of gentleman?
A gentleman with a big mouth. I keep right clicking to ping.
Where are you? Oh.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Okay, love you,
He's
bye.
boring.
What's over here?
Battery left.
Okay.
Found a spine.
Slime?
I found a spine.
Fine. It's fine.
And a skull.
Oh, here's the room.
We almost have a whole person.
I guess that's this weird guy. Oh, little dog!
I found a press button.
I found a robot.
I'm off on my own. I'm
I found a
lonely.
press button.
Yeah, he's
Does
down
someone-
here.
Does someone want a
Want me
press
to-
button?
Yeah, I'll
Oh,
press
there's-
button
oh,
so you
there's-
can pick up my
there's-
shit.
There's two of them.
Guys, I'm down here.
Oh,
Well, Britt's gonna press button.
Oh, I won't get to see Brass Crit Bulletin.
Okay, someone go press button. Really now.
Press Bulletin.
yo. I was pressing buttons.
That was fun.
That's
Wait,
the
that killed
one.
both of you?
I also
Yes,
want to
'cause
press
we-
button. I pressed button.
You did. Alright, let's just go to bed.
You mean ceiling? Okay.
Well, I don't... Okay.
I'm on ceiling.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going to ceiling.
Ready?
Sure.
Go.
Skittles. Taste my dick.
And then another.
Alright, guy.
Dale, we went over this several times. You can't harass the camera.
Yes, I can. I just did.
Hey, you can't face
HR's
fuck the
gonna reach
camera.
out to you again.
Damn it, Matt.
Who the fuck is Matt? Matt Murdock?
That's HR.
Yeah. Matt.
Ah, they're the three-headed Hydra.
Press button.
I don't have anything to help me. I didn't
yeah.
even pick up a flashlight.
Ooh, a hole. I'm gonna go down it. I went down it.
Ooh, look what I found. I found a camera. It's a camera from last one. You and your coffees.
Yeah.
I like coffees.
I think they're cute. I think they add character.
I'm getting diddled. Dude, why won't this guy let me go? Well, I'm gonna die.
That was a spine. It's a spine. Oh.
Did
Well,
you see that? What
Yeah.
the fuck was that?
Something ascend into the ceiling. You hear that?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Water bear.
Water bear.
Yeah, where is it? Oh, there it is.
It's right here. Oh god, he's got me. I just dropped
Good
the
luck.
camera. Save the views. Save the views. Save the views, yeah.
Ooh. That's in selfie mode. A bone.
Ow.
Oh, that was the thing that happened.
Run.
I don't know what to do. It's got me.
Ah, no.
That's exactly what happened to me, by the way.
Like,
Dale.
what the fuck happened to this game?
I think Red needs to go up a level.
Oh, she has to go up. No, come on.
There's no point to go back.
Okay, I think Britt saw the thing.
You're the born
And now
where,
you're going
where
down.
are you going?
Yep.
Red, just leave.
Just get out.
Let's stop it.
Don't know what that is. Okay.
What is that?
Oh, that's you can't get away from that.
We're fucked.
Yeah, just pick them up. Go. Go.
Hi.
Go. Go.
Oh, hey, it went away.
Hi.
I am not having a successful night.
You are the MVP.
Me and Dale both felt the same way.
But you will also kill me by the end of the night.
Oh.
You missed. Oh, damn it. Ben.
Ben.
Well, let's see if it's fixed. Hey, it's fixed.
Hey. All right. And number 2.
I'll give you another shot on that one, Britt. All right, third time's the charm.
I'm going
All
to the
right.
ceiling.
I'm going to.
I don't even know what happened there. I did it.
Mwah.
There's no Ryan,
All right, Britt. Or Sam, whoever.
the audio man.
Oh.
Britt hug.
I was about to say, was that louder than normal? But I have the boom mic.
Or radio. Oh.
Is that Mortal Kombat?
Sounds like it. Oh.
You shit.
Ah.
Where's Dale?
Oh no.
Oh, I think I know where I am.
Yeah? You know where we are in relation to where you are?
Dale. Where are you? Where, did he not come down here with us?
I don't know. I thought he did.
Set. Oh, don't show your light on it.
Oh, I didn't know. I couldn't see what it was. Yeah?
Dale. Dale.
I hear a diddler.
Dale.
Oh,
We don't know where you are.
I am here.
great.
I found a Dale. I don't know where Britt is.
I'm right here.
Oh, Britt. Now I don't know where
I
Dale
found the
is.
quickest way to him. God damn it.
Why is it so hard for us to stay together? Dale. Dale.
Dale? Oh.
Opposite of what we had before.
Hey, bud.
I hear music.
Yeah, that was me.
Yeah, follow the music.
Dale, we're kind of stuck.
Yeah, well, are we?
I think we are, because isn't that the only way over?
Maybe?
Dale found something.
Yeah, he did. You talking to us, Dale? Oh, his last words were,
Maybe. I'll play a sad song. I did that to pay respects. Oh, hey, way up.
I think he'd appreciate that.
Oh, fuck.
Another
I
thing?
think over... No, it's, fucking maze. Keep hearing the strings of the damned.
Guys, where are you?
Oh, hey!
Dale's alive!
Where are you?
By the stairs. Are you by the stairs?
Like the stairs.
Yeah.
I found a two-toes Johnny.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Alright. Can you hear us?
Yeah.
Follow us.
Two-toes Johnny.
Oh, hi.
Toast, Johnny!
I'm getting two-toast.
Okay, now come over and get hugged. I think that damage.
Ow! Oh, what?
Whoa!
Guys, here. Wow.
Dale, stop
I'm
screwing
with
around.
two toes. You put me on the two toes.
You could see Johnny and his two toes next time.
I heard you.
What? It sounded funnier the second.
Yeah, but what about his brother, Brian Three Toes?
He wasn't there.
Aw.